Wings are a winning item on a menu, but the trick is to make them stand out. Their smoky-sweet flavors shine with a subtle citrus tang. Let me show you how easy they are to make. To prepare our chicken wings, we'll start by mixing the baking powder, salt, chili powder, cumin, and pimenton in a small bowl. Toss the chicken wings with the spice mixture until well coated. Then place on a baking sheet with a rack, refrigerate overnight, uncovered. Next, we'll prepare our wing sauce. Place the olive oil in a saucepan. Add the garlic and saute until aromatic. Turn off the heat and stir in the honey, Knorr Professional Intense Flavors Citrus Fresh, and Knorr Professional Intense Flavor Charred Chili Heat. These Knorr Professional Intense Flavors are easy to use and add great flavor. Let this mixture cool. Let's get ready to grill. Combine the wing sauce and cilantro, set aside 3 tablespoons for basting. Toss the wings with oil and place on a hot grill. Cook the wings, turning periodically until charred on the exterior and almost cooked through. Brush the wings with the sauce and continue to grill until cooked through. Remove the heat and toss wings in some of the remaining sauce. Place the wings on a platter and enjoy. So here's our finished plate of smoky sweet barbecue chicken wings with honey and citrus, featuring Knorr Professional Intense Flavors. Deliciousness on a platter. Enjoy!